about the tools and materials needed for jewelry making B. So the first tool is the side cutters. It is basically the very important tool needed. So it is the pliers that are used for cutting wire. It is bit like a scissor. So it is the most important tool needed for making jewelry. The next one is the round nose pliers. They are used for making loops in the wire. They have cone-shaped ends to shape the wire around. So they are as important as the last one, the side cutters. So the next one is the flat nose plier or the chain nose plier. You can call them any way you want. So you use for crimping as well as bending and straightening also, and getting into tight places to make adjustments. So it's like tightening the loop. You can do tightening the tight places, like I'll show you in the further videos. So the next is the threading materials. There are different types of threading materials. So this is the stretchy elastic. Now this is the gear wire. It is not stretchy, but it will be stronger than the elastic wire. We use this for heavy beads, like agate and all. So the next is the findings. So the findings are like the small parts used to connect different parts of the piece together. They are gold or silver or bronze colors. So these are like head pins, then hooks, hoop hooks, and so on. There are many more. I'll be introducing them in the further classes. Then next are selection of beads. You can use small beads like this one. These are known as seed beads, or big crystals like this one. Or maybe star-shaped beads like this one. It's up to you. So now this is the bracelet designing board. It's an optional device. It works as a treat. It helps in designing a bracelet. So it's more easier the thing of it is like when you design the bracelet, if you don't like the design, you must have to remove the full thing. So better is design here than put your things into the bracelet. So that's all for today, and in the next tools and material section, I'll be discussing the tools and materials needed for quilt jewelry.